So the question here is, you have a circular arc. You have a circular arc. Let's have a small center here, and from the center you're drawing a circular arc. And what is the magnetic field if the circular arc makes an angle 3 pi by 2 radian with the center? That means there is no full circular loop here. There is only a part of the circle, and this arc is making an angle, this arc is making an angle theta at the center, theta, which is equal to 3 pi by 2 radians at the center. What is the magnetic field here if the current is I and this radius of this loop is r? If this radius is r, so let us assume this problem this way. Suppose if you have a full loop, this full circular coil is carrying current I and its radius is r. What is the magnetic field? One full circular coil subtends an angle 2 pi radian at the center. So for 2 pi radian, magnetic field at the center is mu naught I divided by 2r. And for, let us not solve this for only 3 pi by 2 radian. Let us assume this angle is theta. So for theta radian, we do not know the magnetic field B. So we would like to find out what this value is. Just divide the whole equation. Because the same quantities on the left hand side, same quantity on the right hand side, the constants will be cancelled. So for 2 pi by theta, the constants will be cancelled, so it will be equal to mu naught I divided by 2r by b. When you cross multiply b equal to, this theta goes up here, theta by 2 pi into mu naught I divided by 2r. So if you have any arc carrying current I having radius r, this is the magnetic field. You never just forget it. This is a magnetic field. Suppose if it is a semicircular loop. If it is a semicircular loop, just imagine what angle it will subtend. A semicircular loop will subtend an angle at the center which is equal to pi radians. If it subtends pi radians here at the center, magnetic field at this point be equal to theta by 2 pi. Because this angle is pi radian, it is pi by 2 pi into mu naught I divided by 2r. So which is equal to mu naught I divided by 4r. It works. So for full circle it is mu naught I by 2r. For half circle it is mu naught I divided by 4r. It is working with this formula. Here the theta they have given is 3 pi by 2 radian. So for our question the answer is like magnetic field, the unknown magnetic field at the point O, that means at the center, is theta by 2 pi. Theta here is 3 pi by 2 divided by 2 pi into mu naught. The current carried by the wire is I and the radius is r. So what happens? This pi and pi will be cancelled. 3 pi 2 by 2, so which is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into mu naught I by 2r will be equal to 3 times mu naught I divided by 8r. So this is a magnetic field at the center of an arc carrying current I subtending an angle theta which is equal to 3 pi by 2 radians.